2016 Keystone Cougar for sale in Newcastle, Colorado 81647. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2016 Keystone Cougar. This luxurious fifth wheel is 37.33 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably sleep up to 4 guests. It has been outfitted with 3 power retractable slide-outs and 1 power retractable awning, as well as a 4-point electric auto-leveling system. This impressive RV has been very well maintained, which has enabled its excellent condition. Highlights include solid surface countertops, 3-burner stove/oven, microwave refrigerator /freezer, double kitchen, SinkDinette with cherish, SeatingFireplaceBig, flat screen TelevisionMedia, SystemDVD/CD/ StereoSurround Sound Inside /OutsideSofa, SleeperTheater, SeatingLarge, ShowerToiletSinkMaster, queen size BedFull, master ClosetFour, brand new tires, cleaned and buffed, $600, and so much more. This 2016 Keystone Cougar is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2016 Keystone Cougar can be yours. Also available 2012 Dodge Ram 3/4 ton, Cummins Diesel, short bed, 72,000 miles. Call for separate/package pricing.